Hello, my name is Parth Mistry and today I will give presentation on workshop 7 which is about a la carte and entertainment price list system. So here, a software developer wants to create a software for an entertainment place where there are different shows, times and services for customer visiting the place. Each service has its charge and developer wants to make a software for calculating total amount to receive from customers for the services they used. The tasks and details to be covered in the software are as follows. So there are 6 things which we have to cover in the software and they are mentioned below. First one is cover charge. This part will show up the charges as per age of person or group of people. There are different costs for child, adult and senior citizens. Second one is a ticket charge. This part will identify the cost of shows as per the show timings, age and the type of entertainment selected by user. That can be musical or theater tickets. Third one is discounts. This part applies discount to the customer as per number of people attending the show. Fourth part is about snack charges. This part will determine the charge of snacks chosen by customer as per food they included. It can be a beverages and candies. So there are total two type of snacks in the system. Fifth one is valid parking charges. This part will identify the parking charges selected by user according to its type, such as its VIP or standard valet service, and its with tip or without tip. Sixth part is about printing all the charges as per the services used by the customer. This part will calculate total charges for every service and display the amount to customer as per the services used by them. Now we'll move on to the problem solution part. First, the system will call all the sub-processes. It will start from the first process, which is cover charge sub-process. Then it will call ticket charge sub-process. Then it will call discount sub-process. Then snack charges sub-process. Then parking sub-process. Then call receipt sub-process and main process ends. First, we'll call cover charge sub-process. The system will go to the cover charge sub-process. First, the system will display the price as per the age of the user. If user is less than 18, then ticket price is 0.50. If user is 18 plus, then ticket price is 5.50. If user is 65 plus, then ticket price is 1.25. After that, next step is user needs to input number of child, number of adult and number of senior citizen which will attend the show. Then the system will calculate the charges as per the age group and the number of people added to the system. After that, it will ask for confirmation. If user confirm the details, then it will go to the next step. If not, then it will take to the second stage where user again needs to input the users attending the show. After that, it will display the total cover charges for the number of people entered by the user, and then cover charge subprocess ends. The solution for ticket charges module. The system will call the ticket charge subprocess. Then it will go to the next step where it will display the two features if it's musical or if it's theater. There are different price for different timings. If it's 12 to 4 p.m. then the price is $88 and $175 if it's 6 to 9 p.m. If it's theater feature and the timing is 12 to 4 p.m. then the ticket price is $78 and $165 if the timing is 6 to 9 p.m. It will go to the next step where the customer needs to select if it's musical or theater. If it's musical, then the system will go to the musical module. In the musical module, it will ask the user the timing. If it's 6 to 9 p.m., then it will go to the yes module and the ticket price will set to $175. And if it's not 6 to 9 p.m., then it will 12 to 4 p.m. and the ticket price will set to $88. If it's not 12 to 4 p.m., then the system takes again to the prompt where it asks the timings to the user, and after confirmation it will go to the next module where it calculates the total ticket price multiplied by total number of people, same as it will go to the theater module if the user selects theater. If it's theater and timing is 6 to 9 p.m., then the price will set to $165 per person. And if the time is 12 to 4 p.m., then the price will set to $78. And then if user denies and says it's not 12 to 4 p.m., then the system will take back to the prompt where it asks the timings, and then after confirming the details it will go to the next module where it will calculate the total price for the theater show. Then after its decision where it asks the user about confirming their details. If it's yes, then it stores the total price and this ticket charge sub-process ends. If it's no, then it takes to the second stage where whole process repeats. Now it's part 3 and 4 where part 3 is for discount and part 4 is for snack charges. Now the system will call discount subprocess. Discount calculation starts. First, it will get the total number of people from the user. If there is one user, then there is no discount and system goes to 0%. If there is two people, then the discount will set to 5%. If there is a total number of 3 people, then discount will set to 10%. If there is 4 people, then discount will set to 15%. If it's 5 or more than 5 people, then discount will set to 20% and it will store the discount and then it ends. After that, there is a snack calculation process. Here, snack calculation starts. First, it will display the charges for non-alcoholic beverages as well as alcoholic beverages and candy items. Then it will go to the next step where user needs to enter the total number of beverages and candies they need to be purchased. Then it will go to the next process where price of non-alcoholic beverage will consider as $3, price of alcoholic beverages will consider as $77.75, price of candy will consider as $2.25, and it will multiply the number of items selected by user for particular snacks. Then it will display total number of items bought by the user as per the categories of non-alcoholic beverage, alcoholic beverage as well as candies. Then it will confirms the user about the purchase they made. If user confirms the purchase, then it will go to the next step where it will store the total snack price and calculation ends. If not, then it again goes to the second step and whole process repeats. Now we'll move on to the part 5 for valid parking charges. The solution is as follows. The system will first call the valid parking charge subprocess and then it will go to the next step where it will ask the user about the show timing and the type of parking the user needs to select. There are different rates for the different parking services. If it's matinee standard, then it's $15. If it's matinee VIP, then it's $25. If it's evening standard, then it's $20. And if it's evening VIP, then it's $30. After that, the system will go to the next step where it will give prompt to the customer and choose one type of parking. If the parking price is $15 or $25 or $20 or $30 as per the parking selected by user. After selecting one parking, the system will go to the decision module where it asks for the tip. If user needs to select the tip, then it will go to the yes and add $5 with the parking charges as selected by system, and then it will display the total price to the user. After then again it goes to the decision module where user needs to give confirmation about the details. If it's yes, then it will store parking price and sub-process ends. If it's no, then it will go to the second phase and the whole process repeats. Part 6 is about total receipt of all the charges and services used by user. First, the system will call receipt subprocess. Then it will go to the decision module of total cover charges. If user selected any total cover charges, then the total cover charges will apply. If not, then it will go to the blank. Then it will go to the next step where it checks for total ticket charges. If user has any added tickets, then it will show total ticket charge or else it go to the blank. Then it will go to the snack modules. If user have added any snacks, then it will show the total price or it will show the blank. Then it will go to the next decision module of total parking price. If user has selected parking, then it will go to the yes and show the parking price, and if not, then it will go to the blank. After that, it will go to the discount module where it will show the discount applied or not, and then it will print all the items and charges for services the user used. Here, the receipt subprocess ends. Thank you.